And here is the Tech Weld 170 amp 120 240 volt welder. Thanks a lot to Tech Weld for sending out this welder to review. This versatile and reliable welding machine is here to revolutionize your welding experience. With the Tech Weld 170 amp, this multi-process welding machine is a true all-in-one solution, offering MIG, flux core, arc stick, and TIG welding capabilities. This video clip here is using solid core wire with gas and plugged into a standard 120 outlet. This weld comes out really nice. The Tech Weld 170 amp is designed with convenience in mind. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it easy for both beginners and experienced welders to operate. The clear digital display provides real-time information, ensuring precise control over your welding parameters. Thanks to its dual voltage capability, this welding machine is incredibly versatile. It can be easily connected to either a 120 volt or a 240 volt power source, making it suitable for both home workshops and professional welding environments. Whether you're working on mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, the Tech Weld 170 amp delivers exceptional performance across a wide range of materials. Its robust design ensures durability, allowing you to tackle even the toughest welding projects with ease. So what we're doing here is testing the machine with it turned all the way up. We also have it plugged into 240 to see what kind of power it's like compared to the 120. We saw that when plugged into 120, you get up to 162 to 170 amps. But when plugged into 240, you can get all the way up to 200. And after this weld is done, you can see that there is plenty of power for this 1/4-inch metal that is starting to melt because it is getting so hot, which shows this welder is plenty capable of tackling decent-sized welding jobs. And this last video clip is showing just a bead being run across a flat plate at medium speed. You can really make your welds look nice. This welder is really nice, and if you're needing a high-quality machine that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is it. I can highly recommend definitely pick up one of these.